How to make background transparent in Canva. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Canva on your device. Here, simply click on your page. Click on the color icon at the top. After you click on the color icon at the top, on the left side, click on the plus icon, add a new color. There, for your color, type in FFFFF, then press on enter. After you've done this, you can press on share at the top right. After you've pressed on share, click on download in here. After you click on download in here, click on transparent background and save it. Press on download at the bottom and you're good to go. This is how to make background transparent in Canva. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.